What's good, YouTube? I wanted to make this quick video. I know I have a lot of stuff on my channel, and it helped me with this remote for my 4K Fire Stick. This will be the newest update. What you're gonna want to do is I'm gonna tell you the steps because I'm not gonna physically do it because I'm just gonna make the video really quick. You're gonna want to unplug your 4K Fire Stick for 1 minute. Once you plug the Fire Stick back up, then you're gonna want to take your controller, you're gonna turn it around and pull the back down and put, these are Amazon AAA batteries, but you're gonna want to do two new ones and make sure they're plus sign going up inside of the remote if you're looking at it this way. And once you do that, you're gonna want to put it in front of the TV, and here's the home button, and you're gonna want to hold that home button, which I'm not gonna physically do it because I got it working now, so I don't want to mess it up. You're gonna want to hold it for 20 seconds or more, and you're gonna see it blink orange for about 10 seconds, and then you're gonna see it blink blue for about another 10 seconds. So you're gonna do a total of about 20 to 25 seconds, and it will have itself sync back up. And then your remote will be able to do like mine. You'll be able to, you'll be able to tap through and check out whatever it is that you're trying to see on your Fire Stick. I hope this video was very helpful. It's only maybe a minute or two video, but I feel like I should put these type of videos out because when I'm looking for help and I'm wanting something simple and easy to try, I'm looking for one of these quick videos like this and not like a 9-minute long video. It gets pretty old. But you can also try, if you completely have lost your remote, you can download a Fire Stick app, a 4K Fire Stick app, which is in your Apple store or your Android store, and download it that way. And that'll be very helpful. You download that and follow the directions, and it'll sync basically to your phone. So I hope this was, and you can also, and then there's a third option. You can order another Fire Stick remote just like this one off of Amazon, even though you got the main piece for the Amazon Fire Stick, and order it and put batteries in it and synchronize it, like I said before, with the home button for 20 to 25 seconds. All right, I hope this video is very informative and helped you guys. This your boy GoSide2Ts. I'm glad this could help you because it definitely helped me, and I found a video like it, so I figured I'd put one on my channel, make it pretty quick. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, I hope it works for you. Bye.